Welcome guys, welcome to Newton School, okay, and my channel name is Tech Nerves as you know, and I am Abhishek Chaudhary, okay, currently working as a full stack developer, okay, in Microsoft and also as DE2, okay. The aim for this video is we'll understand more about Fizzbuzz problem. So we'll discuss about the algorithms of the Fizzbuzz problem. I know I already have done a little bit in Fizzbuzz problem, but we decided a different approach from from the last video, right? We'll follow that approach and we'll continue it from here. Okay. So remember it. Okay. So we'll discuss all the possible solutions of the Fizzbuzz problem. So I'll discuss the algorithms for now, and I'll expect that you guys can do the solutions. Anyway, we'll do the solution in different languages from the next video. Okay, and so on. We'll continue. Okay, and don't forget to check out Newton School. That's a great platform for coding in tech, right? It is it will give you a what do you say, it will help you guys to get placed in a what do you say, good coding companies. Okay, like currently I'm seeing I have a batch, most of the students are getting placed, a lot of companies are coming. Definitely you can compare what do you say, company, of course there are a lot of companies coming compared from the tier 3 college. I can even say for it's better than most of the tier 2 college, or the way the placement is happening. Okay, so now let's continue to our coding. So let's come here. Okay, so it's about the Fizzbuzz problem, right? Okay, so this is Fizzbuzz algorithm. So here I'll just write algo. So we'll discuss the different algorithms for Fizzbuzz. Okay, let's click on create. Okay, it's loading. Okay, it has loaded out. Okay, so discuss about, so what is the statement of a Fizzbuzz problem? Let's understand it for those who don't know what is a Fizzbuzz problem. So basically, you have to take number from 1 to 100. Okay, so I'll write the statement for you. Take number from 1 to 100 and print all numbers which are divisible by 3. Okay, okay, I mean to say and print all, not print all numbers, and let's change the statement a little. So okay, and print hello for all number divisible by 3. Okay, similarly print 5 for, sorry, what I was saying, so it will be print world, capital. Okay, print world for all number divisible by 5 and print hello world, no space between them, for all number by 15. Okay, that's the problem. Okay, so I think it got in 2 lines, no problem. Let's take it in few lines. We don't have restrictions of lines, right? Okay, let's comment this. Anyway, we're not going to run anything today, but okay. Okay, I did not comment it. Okay, the shortcut is not there. Okay, anyway, so you got the problem, right? Basically, you have to take number from 1 to 100 and then you have to check which number are divisible by 3, 5 and 15, and accordingly you have to display a message. Now the problem seems quite easy, right? So what will we do? We will have 3 sets of number, from 1 to 100. This is the first approach. We have 3, 5 and 15, right? Okay, we'll divide all the numbers by them. If the number is divisible by them, then what will we do? We'll just print a message, respective message. Just a basic if-else condition, right? If number is divisible by 3, 5 and 15, okay? Just have to think in what order you'll write. Whether 3 will come first, whether 5 will come first, whether 15 will come first, that you have to think. Okay, this will be one of your approach, a quite simple approach you guys can think of. Okay, Okay, approach number 2 that you guys can think of is like, so like see, you can 15 is basically a multiple of 3 into 5, right? 15 we can write. So basically you will be checking something like I modulus 3, right? I modulus 3 or I modulus 5. Okay, this is what you guys will be checking out, right? But the thing is like this is for 15. 15 is basically what will happen, 3 into 5. Okay, sorry, I mean to say 3 into 5. Okay, it's basically 3 into 5. So again, like if we will also be checking something like I modulus 15. Okay, I modulus 15. So what will happen? Basically we are repeating it, right? I modulus 3 and I modulus 5 is there. Again we are finding I modulus 3 and I modulus 5, right? So what we can do, you can try to, like, you don't want to calculate it 2 times, right? I modulus 3, I modulus 5. Okay, try to like you can, instead of calculating it multiple times, we can store it in some variable and use it, like you can store the answer into some variable like I modulus 3. Okay, and whenever it is needed, just use this, right, instead of this. Similarly, I5 for I modulus 5 and so on. Like you can use this approach. Awesome. Yep, that's great. Okay, then also there is an approach, like we guys are writing a lot of if and else if. Okay, can we write an algorithm like currently we're writing a condition of 3, currently we're writing a condition of 5, currently we're writing a condition of 15. Can you think in a method in if else, like you don't have to write 3, 5 and 15 separately, just 1, 3 and 5 will be done. The reason is because 15 is a multiple for 3 and 5. So give it a try, give it a thought. Can we reduce the condition for 15, like else if I mean to say like you will write 15, 3 and 5, right? So these are the 3 conditions. Can you remove any one of the conditions from this and still it will work? Assumedly, like let's remove 15, let's just try with 3 and 5, see if it works out. If it works out, that's really awesome. Okay, and then the last approach. So till now what we are using modulus. You guys can see it, but the problem with this modulus is, like, see, we have few things. We have plus, we have minus, we have plus, we have minus, we have multiply, we have divide, and we have modulus. Okay, what happened to my modulus? Okay, it's on the way. Okay, so now you here multiply, divide, and modulus that you guys can see are little expensive operation. What do you mean by expensive operation? Like, see, plus minus is very easy to implement. Okay, but multiply, divide, and modulus are like, see, if you talk about complexity, I'll tell you, like if n is the number, the complexity to do plus and minus will be n, and the complexity to do multiply, divide, and modulus will be n square. So you can see the difference, right? Okay, so what will I say? Okay, try to, like, we are using a modulus here. Okay, try to do this question without the modulus. If you guys will be able to do it, it's fun, right? Okay, try to just use like plus or minus or just plus, whatever you think, and try our approach. Okay, give it a thought. Okay, if you are able to do it, it's quite and good. Otherwise, anyway, we'll discuss over the solution in the next class. Like, what do you mean by plus? Like, see, like currently you will be using a loop, something like this, for I 1 to 100, right?